Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Epstein. Some time ago I started losing my hair. Then I began laser hair therapy. As a physician, I recommend this FDA-approved therapy as an alternative to drugs or transplants. I solved my own hair loss problems, and now I recommend it to my patients and to you.
I'm Michelle, and I've worked for Beechwood Hair Clinic for the last 5.5 years. And the people that we're about to see are my clients. I was actually a client before I started working here. 9 years ago, I walked into Beechwood Hair Clinic and I had a severe hair loss problem. So I did do the treatment program, and within 4 months, the hair started coming in everywhere. I like working here. It's a job that makes me feel good about what I do, and I'm doing something that I know is honest and works and is going to help people.
Hair loss is a medical condition that seriously affects self-esteem and shapes how the world perceives you. Fortunately, there's a new treatment that provides visible results for those who suffer from hair loss. Awaken laser therapy is a low-level light therapy treatment that uses FDA-approved technology to stimulate hair follicles to return to a normal growth cycle. It's a simple light treatment that really works.
This is all my hair. This is what I had when I was 18 years old, and I'm so happy that it's back.
Laser therapy creates an environment that gives hair its best chance for a healthy growth cycle. It works naturally to heal follicles from within. It also interferes with the production of DHT, a body chemical that causes hair loss. Laser therapy for hair regrowth uses a combination of 2 wavelengths, visible red light and infrared light, to promote accelerated production of healthy hair. Red light stimulates surface cells, clearing debris and opening pores. Infrared light penetrates deeper and awakens dormant hair follicles into active growth. The result is healthy, new hair. In fact, after only 6 weeks of treatment, more than 40% of research participants experienced positive results, and the other half between 6 and 12 weeks.
The laser treatment, it's a painless treatment. You know, most people, when they hear the word laser, they think of a hot laser. It's going to hurt you, it's going to burn you, maybe it's going to do something to your brain if you're sitting under. This is a cold laser. The scientific studies show that cold laser only has the ability to heal in the areas that it's directed. The own body is actually healing itself. The light just makes it do it, kind of prompts it to do what it's supposed to do.
Laser therapy is safe and effective for all hair types, for both men and women. The science behind this rejuvenating technology operates the same for every person, regardless of age, race, or gender. Everyone can benefit, including those with alopecia, chemo or chemically induced hair loss, weak and thinning hair. Treatment involves sitting under the laser unit for approximately 60 minutes. The experience is completely painless. Many clients read or relax during their therapy. The frequency and number of treatments vary depending on the extent of your hair loss. Certified laser therapists will determine your optimal treatment plan following your free hair and scalp evaluation. Periodically, you'll meet with a therapist to document your progress using our digital imaging system. During these sessions, we'll magnify your scalp up to 200 times and capture snapshots of your hair growth. These sessions help your therapist track your individualized treatment plan. In recent clinical studies, 90% of participants benefited from reduced hair loss, increased hair regrowth, or both. In general, here's what you can expect to see. Around 6 weeks, hair loss stops or slows dramatically. Around 8 to 10 weeks, baby fine hair starts to appear and existing hair begins to actively grow and thicken. Around 6 months, noticeable improvement and filling in of thinned areas. Around 8 to 12 months, existing hair is full and thick. The scalp is no longer visible through thinning areas.
The results are great. The first 2-3 months, I wouldn't admit to it. I wouldn't admit that I saw anything growing. I didn't want to jinx myself. But after, like now, it's been about 6 months, and it's fluffy, it's furry in there, so I can tell now.
I'm noticing that spots that were bald are starting to grow back a little bit of hair, and I'm noticing the places where I do have hair, it's becoming a lot thicker and a lot healthier.
Keep in mind, various factors will influence whether or not laser therapy will work for you. These include how soon you begin the treatment, your body's response to the treatment, and compliance with your customized treatment plan. Successful regrowth of hair also depends upon the number of follicles that are merely dormant versus those that have lost the ability to regrow hair. This is why it's vital to start treatment as soon as possible.
One of the most important things with hair loss is to address it right when you see it start. The longer you wait, the harder it is to get everything back. You know, we've seen people who have came in and decided to go another route, and they come back to us 3 years later and we can't help them because they've lost too much hair. The most important thing is get it now before it all falls out, because then nobody can help you.
Awaken Laser Therapy is the best choice for your physical and financial health. Compare laser therapy against other treatments like Rogaine and Propecia, which require a lifetime of use. These treatments often don't work and come with serious risk and side effects.
I would suggest laser therapy to anyone. You know, in fact, if people come in and want to try medications, I would steer them, you know, away from those, because there's nothing but side effects. You know, the medicines that are out there, you have to continue them, or if you stop them, the hair literally falls out in clumps, worse than it was. So with laser, the hair that you grow stays. In fact, most of the people that come in for their 6-month follow-up after their treatment's done, they have more hair than when they left me. So that's pretty impressive.
Laser therapy helps you grow your own hair naturally, and there are no side effects. Plus, these affordable treatments represent a smart, long-term financial decision, because the hair you grow is hair you keep, even after you complete your treatments.
If this is something that you want to do, if this is something where you want to really get your hair back, it's completely worth it, and it's completely affordable to everyone.
Why wait? It's vital to start treatment as soon as possible, before your hair follicles become fully dormant. Your hair loss will only continue unless you take action now. You've already decided to do something about it, and Awaken Laser Therapy is the best hair loss solution available today. Begin treatments today and make an investment in yourself.
The results that I've seen have been absolutely amazing. I could not be happier with this program.